Gartner's top strategic predictions for 2024 and beyond. This is the second part of the video series. In our last video, we saw how some of the generative AI capabilities' charisma filters accelerate growth in work environments. In this video, let's look at it, how businesses can get better at overcoming their worst traits. Businesses and government organizations will find that the addition of Gen AI to their strategies will mitigate some problems while amplifying and creating others. It uses a lot of energy, opens the door to faster modernization of systems, helps supplement a deficient workforce, and forces a rethink of business models, all at the same time. Energy costs and availability of supply have been a rising concern as global climate changes threaten to leave the electricity-hungry populace short of an established and growing need. Some regions are experiencing an increasing instability of the electrical grid due to old infrastructure. A rapidly growing need for more electricity to power computers worsens this problem and will lead to a widespread need to ration electricity rather than assuming it is unlimited. Gen AI plays a role here as it gobbles up energy and will proliferate to be a constant part of every individual, business, and government initiative. Legacy applications are a sweet spot for Gen AI use. While many of the world's most critical and important systems still run on legacy technology, modernization has been a long-time goal. Use of Gen AI for code conversion is the least of the opportunities. Language-to-language conversions don't solve most of the problem. Instead, Gen AI can help to explain the intricacies of a legacy environment. It can provide modernization plans, refactoring plans, testing and validation, and a host of other capabilities to speed the modernization effort. Robot workers seem to be the least of the worries of those fearing AI taking jobs. In fact, we are in a low cycle of worker availability. The need to supplement the workforce with robots can help businesses continue to grow, even in a worker-sparse environment. As the availability of these robots continues to grow and they get smarter and more creative, they expose a need to change business operations. Machine customers and machine workers are on the rise, prompting a rethink of key business operations. Just as workers will find new ways to evaluate performance and value, new machine customers will need their own new channels to acquire, access, and use capabilities. Most people are familiar with printers that order their own ink refills, or cars that can alert dealers when they need to come in for service. But how does a business capture the attention of machines to use their services? With people, well-understood marketing and advertising mechanisms can guide them to the proper channels. But how does one market or advertise to machines? The problem is imminently solvable, but will require new channels to support the change. In the next video, we will see how new threats create new responsibilities and communities.
Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my content and want to be notified, please subscribe to my channel. This will help me build more such contents.